Actually, yeah.
I think I may have overstimulated our dog.
Doesn't sound like you at all, does it?
No, I'm not. Character assassination, right there. So the whole point of cooking with Corey was to actually create some dough and show you that there's actually not that much of a difference between kneading dough and kneading your partner's shoulders or back. It's all like the same sort of thing. Here's the difference, right? For those of you that do cook, you have the confidence in your hands already, right? When you're cooking, you're kneading in, you're putting in all this strength, but then I see couples, they get with their partner and they start doing this, and no one likes that. Like, what's the point? Like, imagine kneading dough like that. It just doesn't work. You know, like, getting in, I don't know if, like, Corey, if you knead dough this hard. Look at this, it's perfect. Yeah. This is exactly like, this is someone that's not a masseur.
Not a masseur.
But, I mean, that technique looks great, you know? Like that on my shoulders. I think I need to cut to you massaging me.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, that's great. Feel good?
Yeah.
That does feel like, that looks, feels like proper dough.
Proper dough.
Well, imagine
opposed
if you...
to the fake dough.
Imagine... Hi. Cheers. There's our flatbread. So good.
So good.
I just like, I think it all come down to the kneading technique.
Absolutely.
Oh, like garlic butter all over me. Oh my god, that's delicious.
It's delicious.
So good, guys. So I wanted to create this video to show you that when we're massaging our partner, we're a little bit timid, we're a little bit shy about how deep we can actually go because we're scared that we might hurt our partner. But like I showed you with the dough, and when we're kneading dough, we actually don't care because dough is just like, dough has no feelings, they have no thoughts. You don't need to take them out to dinner and, you know, entertain them. So we're just going nice and hard and deep. But when you're massaging your partner, it should be the exact same thing because that's where it feels really good. So Corey, what do we talk about?
I did not do that.
Sexual harassment in the workplace?
That, not my hand.
I'm watching you, Corey.
I don't know why I wanted that one, but changed my mind. Okay. Yep. Alright. I think that's it. Does Uncle Dan want anything?
I don't want anything today. We're cooking with Corey.
Cooking with Corey.
That's Corey.
Did you just say we're cooking with chlorine? That's dangerous.
She has a point.
I'm not crazy Muppet, you're crazy Muppet.
So let me introduce Corey. She's like OGM, original gangster melt. You are. The original gangster melt. Like,
Mel, yes.
Do you remember that?
Yes.
The first night ever, like
Yep.
the first test group ever.
Where was it? We were in a hotel in the city or something?
No. Like the first one was.
Oh, in your apartment?
Yeah. And
in that tiny little
rubbish.
apartment where you live with your sister?
Live with my sister on like a floor
near,
that was.
Near Albert Park Lake where they do the Melbourne Grand Prix?
Correct.
Yeah,
exactly.
good location, crappy apartment.
That was terrible. That apartment doesn't exist. It's like now a high rise.
It's been taken down.
Yeah.
Not surprising. Not surprising. I'm surprised it didn't fall down actually. It was so old. Anyway.
That
was
I
amazing.
hope ghost lived in it.
Didn't you have like foil on the windows or something?
That was a party that we had.
Oh, that's right.
Let's not go into
We
that.
have party balloons on your doors.
Yeah, let's say that.
Yeah, let's say that.